Today on Impossibly Kosher, the most incredible garlic knots. Starting off, you'll need 2 full garlic heads. You're going to cut them 3/4 of an inch from the stem to expose the garlic cloves. Put them on an aluminum foil, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top, wrap them well, and set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for 45 minutes. Now while that's in the oven, let's make the dough. Start off with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 2/3 of a cup of room temperature water. Start mixing it well in a bowl until it starts to form, then sprinkle your working table with flour and transfer the dough onto the table. Start kneading. Feel free to use a mixer if you prefer, but I like to use my hands. Knead the dough until it's just a bit sticky. It should take you about 5 to 6 minutes. If the dough is too wet, add a little bit of flour and keep kneading. You can tell when the dough is ready by pushing your finger into the dough. If it bounces back, it's ready. Roll it into a ball and loosely cover with saran wrap and a damp towel, and let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. While the dough is rising, take out the garlic from the oven and it should now be fragrant and soft. Unwrap the aluminum foil and now in a small bowl, simply squeeze them and watch the cloves just easily pop out. Add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil and with a spoon mix it well to make it into a paste-like consistency. Now set that to the side and let's go back to the dough. Uncover the dough, lightly drizzle with some flour, and with a rolling pin, start flattening out the dough into a rectangular shape. I like to trim off the edges to get it nice and clean. Now just put it horizontally, makes it just a bit easier to manipulate. Now spread the garlic paste on the lower half of the flattened out dough. Try to get it evenly distributed around. Then add some low moisture mozzarella cheese over the paste. Fold the top half of the dough over the bottom half and with the rolling pin, lightly flatten it to make sure everything gets stuck. Get your tray lined with parchment paper and start cutting the dough into 3/4 inch slices. Now it's time to start forming those knots. The best way to do this is by twisting the slice and pulling gently. Once you've twisted it a fair amount, pull it around your finger and tuck it into itself. And there you go, a garlic knot. Once all your slices are knotted, get your tray into the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You're going to be aiming for the knots to start to get a little bit of color, but not to brown completely. This way, they'll be incredibly soft on the inside with a nice texture on the outside. While the knots are baking, let's do the coating. Start off with half a stick of butter in a pot on medium heat. Mix it until it completely melts. Then add 2 crushed garlic cloves, mix it well for a few seconds, then add in half a teaspoon of sea salt, or kosher salt, whatever you prefer, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix again. Then add 1 tablespoon of chopped up parsley. Continue to mix well to avoid the butter from burning for about a minute or 2. Once your mix looks like this, it's ready to go. Take a look at those garlic knots. Looking great already. Now all that's left to do is brush the garlic coating on each knot. Make sure to get garlic and parsley on each one so that every bite has a bit of everything. When you're done, this is what you'll be left with. Now that is perfect. Incredibly fragrant, unbelievably soft, and just the perfect garlic knot. Like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell to get notified of more Impossibly Kosher videos.